We are discuss about scope and storage classes. A storage class defines the scope, that is visibility and lifetime of variables and or R function within a C++ program. This specifier proceed the types that they are modified. There are following storage classes which can be used in C++ program. This is the following storage classes which can be used in C++ program. First one is auto, second one is register, and third one is static, fourth one is extend, fifth one is mutable. What is the use of auto storage class? Auto storage class is a default storage class for all local variables. For given code, open brace int mount auto in mount. The example above define two variables with the same storage class auto can only be used within a function that is called local variable. The register storage class used to define a local variables that should be stored in a register instead of RAM. This means that the variable has a maximized size equal to register size, usually 1 word, and cannot have an unary address and operator applied to it, as it does not have any memory locations. Here register int miles. The register should only be used for variable require quick access such as counter. It should be noted that defining a register does not mean that variable to be stored in a register. It means that might be stored in a register depending on the hardware and implement the instruction. What is the use of static storage class? The static storage class instructs the compiler to keep the local variable in extents during the lifetime of program. Instead of creating and destroying in each time it comes into and goes out of the source. Therefore, making a local variable static allows them to maintain the values between function calls. The static modifier may also be applied to a global variable when it is done. Variable scope to be restricted to file in which is to declare. In C++, when a static is used on a class data member, it has only one copy of member to be shared by all the objects of its class. This is an example program static storage class. Here we have to declare function declaration, void function, function name void static int equal to count 10. This is called global variable. We have to declare main function while count minus function equal to return 0. Here we are defining a function void function equal to void static int equal to I. It is a local static variable I++. Standard scope count equal to I is less than or equal to I. Standard scope count size of operator will be, when the above code is compiled and executed, it is proceed the following operator. I is 6 and the count is 9. I is 7 means the count is 8. I is 8 means the count is 7. I is 9 means the count is 6. I is 10 means count is 5. I is 11 means count is 4. So I is 15 means the count is 0. This is a use of static storage class. And next we will discuss about extend storage class. The extend storage class is to give a reference of the global variable. Static will be local variable, extend will be global variable. That is the visible all the program file. When you use the extend, the variable cannot be initialized as it all. The pointer variable name at storage location that has been previously defined. When you have a multiple file and define a global variable or function which can be used in other file also with the help of extends. Here we have to declare two types of files. The extend modifier is mostly commonly used when there are two or more files sharing the same global variable or function. This is my first file name, will be main.cp. So here I have to be written some code in count extend void write extend main count equal to 5 write exam. This is my second variable, support slash equal to extend I count void return extend void and standard size operator count. Here extend keyword is being used to declare the count in another file. Now compile these two files as follow. First we have to be execute main.cpp cpp.override. This file will proceed a write executable code. Try to execute the write and check the result. Result will be 5. And fifth one is there is a use of mutable storage class. What is a mutable storage class? Mutable specifier applies only to class object which are declared later in a tutorial. It also member of an object to override the constant member function. That is, a mutable member can modify by a constant member function. Thank you.